What's going on YouTube? I'm out here fucking around with the Opera lights. I just wanted to show y'all something. I guess because I got this roof put in here, I might have some wire or something, but which I only saw was the dome light wire. Somewhere I'm not getting a good ground. So I split into here. As you can see, let's get a better focus. As you can see, the black wire. There we go. The black wire and the white wire. I tapped into the plug. I'm not getting the ground out. I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting, same as the passenger side. I'm gonna show you in a second. But here, watch that. Now that you see the lights on. Okay, and that's just by me hooking up to a ground. I got a hot running to my roof wire right here. Got a hot running there. So I might be able to do this another way. I don't know. I wish I didn't have to, but it looks like I might have to. But it looks like I can. If you see straight through, you see that insulation. So, yep, that's the insulation. So it'll work. Okay, let me just show y'all this side right quick. Now this side, I already got this like tapped in. I did this morning. Was having trouble. I wasn't understanding what was going on because I didn't have any power going on from here. I know, you know, white's power and black's ground. But if y'all ain't putting on sunroof in, you ain't got to worry about it. I just have to do more work. So I'm not really tripping. I could just find the wire to run it to, and you know, get more wire as long as it works. I got another way to run it, so I just have to run it straight through, and have to still have to. Let me show y'all. Still, you want to cut out, drill a hole, the wire through so it can lead back up. So mine's gonna have to go, the wire's gonna have to go in the hole. I'm gonna have to feed it through. So just keep in mind, if you have to do that route too, that you know, you gotta just feed it through. And you can just run the wire straight to the radio, or you know, any other little component that you got coming on. It's pretty simple. It ain't so I'm gonna run it to my sunroof, and I might eventually, when I get more time, I'm gonna just go ahead and run it, tap it down there into a fuse. That way that they come on. You know, they ain't just gotta be on because my sunroof got power all day. So other than that, I'm gonna cut this video short, just showing y'all how to install the Opra lights. T9 is the screw to get it out. You gotta unscrew it from the bottom. And then you got two Phillips here and here that you unscrew for the plastic part. And that's it. And that's all you gotta do. So you don't have to go behind here like Cadillacs and stuff. Alright, signing out. Okay, what's happening, YouTube? I just went along and cleaned my surface off of the Opera light for the box. This is the light right here, and you can see in here what happened. So it went bad. So I got my O'Reilly light strip Go ahead and install this. I got to do a couple modifications to the plastic down here at the bottom. I got to do some modifications. So not some more so at the top. It's pretty easy. So just trying to show y'all the process and steps of what's going on. You got to drill out a hole to be able to run your power wire through, to be able to feed it through. So because when you do run it, it's gonna be down here and stuff like that, and then you're gonna be able to connect it to your connectors back here. It's gonna look tacky, so you just run that so the wire is ran along the back side of it, running up. Okay, all right. I'll make another video. I'll get y'all back on when I get this together and get it back on the car. Then I can show y'all. As soon as it's nightfall, I can show y'all the process and show y'all how I ran it because I got the sunroof. All right. Okay, got it mounted. Got the wire ran in the inside. Just tapping in, putting screws in now. Had to do a little modifications to get this to work right here. Thought it was gonna be a little bit more simpler. I'll cut you back on when I get it in there.